It's time for some soul food with your host, Bishop Bira Joshua.
I have been afflicted and ready to die from my youth. I suffer your terrors. I am distraught. Hi there. May the God of the Bible bless your life. Perhaps this is how you are feeling right now. Yes, since from your youth or childhood, you have been afflicted. So many problems. Perhaps you were born sick. You saw the other children growing up healthy. And you handicapped, always sick, not be able even to play around. Because you were born and raised in suffering. You are in anguish right now. You feel the terrors around your life inside of your soul. Well, this is what King David said to the Lord. To you I have cried out, O Lord. And in the morning, my prayers come before you. Always pray, always talk to God. Lord, why do you cast off my soul? Why do you hide your face from me? This is how you feel right now, like the Lord is hidden from you. He does not hear your prayer, but the Lord answered David, saved his soul, and guess what? He became the king again. He had lost the kingdom, he had lost his crown, but our God never fails. He became a king again. And this is what the Lord wants to do in your life, to transform you. But he said, I cry out to you. In the morning, my prayers come before you. So always pray. If you need prayer, somebody to intercede for you, we are always praying for you. I have my device, and this device I keep with me wherever I go. Over here, I have many letters. I have messages. I have a prayer request, even pictures. You can send me a text message, 1-888-312-4141. That is for text message. Also, for call, the first number is only for calls, 1-888-332-4141. And the email is bbf@universal.org.